Well, hello there and welcome back to Woodworker Express. Today I will be showing you and talking about the ToolLess cabinet hinge. The ToolLess hinge option is one of many different options that you will have to choose from when purchasing your hinges. Especially if you're a homeowner ordering your new cabinet doors, the door manufacturing company will ask you, how would you like your hinge holes drilled? And for this option, you will confidently be able to tell them, I'll take ToolLess, please. So here is what the hinge looks like and how it works. On the hinge cup is a cover that acts as a lever. By pressing down on the lever, an anchor device is expanded which secures the hinge to the door. This type of hinge is known as a tool-free or toolless hinge. Now, if for some reason you need to remove the hinge from the door, all you have to do is lift back up the lever. Simple as that. Now, different manufacturers may vary slightly, but they mostly operate in a similar fashion. Now, each manufacturer has their own name. Blum's is called Inserta, Grass's hinge is called the Impresso, and Salice's toolless hinge is called the Logica. So I hope this video was very helpful, and as always, do not forget to subscribe to Woodworker Express on the YouTube channel for more videos, and be sure to let us know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. We will see you next time. Check out this video. It's a good one. Or that one, whatever. Just pick one.